Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a kale Caesar salad. First, you'll want to prepare your kale. Take one large bunch, remove the tough stems, and chop it into bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch. This step is crucial for a pleasant texture. Next, place the chopped kale in a large bowl and drizzle with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gently massage the kale for at least 2 minutes. This tenderizes the leaves, making them less bitter and more enjoyable for your salad. Now let's create the star of the show, the Caesar dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 finely minced garlic clove. Gradually, and I mean slowly, drizzle in 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil while continuously whisking. This emulsifies the dressing, making it creamy. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese for that classic savory flavor. No Caesar salad is complete without crunchy croutons. Take 1 cup of bread cubes, toss them with a little olive oil, and toast them in a pan or oven until golden brown. Season them with a pinch of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Once your croutons are ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add the prepared Caesar dressing to your bowl of massaged kale. Toss everything thoroughly, ensuring every single piece of kale is beautifully coated with that delicious, creamy dressing. This ensures maximum flavor in every bite. To finish your perfect kale Caesar salad, sprinkle generously with additional freshly grated Parmesan cheese. A few turns of freshly ground black pepper will also enhance the flavors beautifully. For a refreshing complement to your meal, remember to check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Serve your salad immediately to enjoy the crisp kale and creamy dressing at its best. This truly is the only way to make a kale Caesar salad that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.